oh, okay, let's do keto. So if you are new to this whole ketogenic diet situation, basically in a nutshell, we are looking at a macronutrient breakdown of high fats, moderate protein, and super low carbs. I normally do 60%, 60% fat, 35% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. I'm going to show you what I had. Maybe you can get some inspiration to live your best keto life as well. These are some of my breakfast ingredients. I got the sausages. I'm going to put 2 of those on and 3 eggs into the pan and cook the bacon in the oven. And since I was out and about this morning, I did actually grab a coffee from Starbucks. Yes, this is verging on not being keto friendly, but I do get a sugar-free macchiato and it's not too bad. Generally speaking though, I do more of a low carb lifestyle these days rather than keto, just because it's a bit more flexible, but with flexibility comes more cheat days. That's why I need these reset days of eating keto for the whole day. And yeah, I still really liked all the recipes and I still just do them, but with low carb macros. But yeah, each to their own and everything in moderation, so. Here is what I will be putting into my Caesar salad for lunch. I've got about 900 grams of chicken. I will cut it all now, but I will not eat all of that now. I'm only going to eat 200 grams. And I've got the cos lettuce, avocado, bacon from this morning, as in I cooked it with the other bacon and put it in the fridge so I didn't have to cook it twice. And some nuts and seeds. Honestly, recommend this to jazz up your salad a little bit. I will put them in the pan first for about a minute and then we will add it all together. I honestly struggle with lunches the most, I think, because I can't be bothered cooking in the middle of the day, but we will meal prep and make a chicken salad. You can see that I evenly sliced the chicken so it cooks evenly, prepared the rest of the ingredients into a bowl, add some Parmesan if you like. I'm going to toast the nuts and seeds in the pan for a minute, remove, put on a paper towel so they do not wilt the lettuce. Then I will add the chicken into the same pan. It's going to make a nice woody, smoky flavor because of the nuts being cooked on there. Also let that cool and then add it all together, mix it through with some keto-friendly dressing and enjoy. More of a easier recipe here with a classic fathead dough recipe. I'm going to make sausage rolls. You can buy mince and divide it into 6 different patties with about 60 grams or 2 ounces for each one and cook them for 20 minutes. Then you can make your dough. You want to heat both of the cheeses first. Then you want to add all of your dry ingredients, making a shield over the top so the egg does not fry when it hits the hot cheese. Then mix thoroughly until combined. You can use a scale for this, but I just like to use my hands and divide it into 6 little dough balls, covering the patties and cooking it in the oven for a further 12 to 15 minutes. And I'm just going to put some reduced sugar, tomato sauce, but do what you want. And with that, I will end the video here. Thanks for joining me on my whole day of eating keto. I hope you've taken some useful tips and tricks that you could apply to your lifestyle. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will keep making them for you. Okay, see ya.